Today I am sharing a few of my favorite recipes. They are not only satisfying and delicious, but they are all gluten-free and macro-friendly. The first recipe that I want to share is a breakfast item that is low carb and delicious. I absolutely love it. The second one that I'm going to be sharing with you is a lunch or dinner item. Now this can be perfect for a special lunch occasion with your friends or just a casual dinner with the family. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. The last recipe that I want to share with you is a dessert. There is not a day in my life that is complete without a special treat. So let's get started. You guys enjoyed these recipes. Be sure to give them a try. Let me know if you did try them and how you like them. As always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see all of my new and upcoming videos. Very exciting for me because I will be sharing a glute and hamstring workout with you guys. I will be working out at Lifetime